Good evening, everyone. How's it going? Okay, we have 15 participants now. But why only 15? We need more. I hope they're just late tonight. Anyway, the show must go on, and we're gonna discuss a new strategy where you can all capitalize once again. Can everyone hear me? Just give me a confirmation, please, before I go on. Anything. Thumbs up. Can anyone hear me? Yes. All right. Thank you very much. Let's go. Okay. Tonight we're gonna discuss about the strategy which I think is the most fun. Um, you can call it anything you want, ridiculous, because a strategy can be anything. Anything that works for anyone. You can have a trend line strategy. You can have order block strategy, support and resistance strategy. It all depends on the trader. As you go along on your journey, you know all these things along the way, and you apply them in your daily trading. So the money machine strategy, trading all major pairs, including XAU USD simultaneously, and you will see as we go on the webinar how this is going to be. So for the main content, I'll explain the money machine strategy, the division of the pairs, the indicator we will use, and how to execute the strategy. So let's go now and move on. Okay, we have a giveaway again for tonight. There's a 50% deposit bonus. So if you deposit $100, you will get 150, 500 to 750, 1,000 to 1,500, which is very nice because you cannot find this anywhere else. So take the chance, take this opportunity. There's only 5 slots available where you can have extra 50% on your capital. So who will give you $500? Just think about this. Who will give you $500 extra? I think you, even if you walk thousands of miles or find a tree that grows money, you'll never find it. But it's here already with Algoter. So take the chance, my friends. Spread the word. There could be others interested. So please take this chance and get this very, very exclusive for our members. So hope you will consider. All right, moving on. The money machine strategy. The money machine strategy is simply requires all the 7 major pairs with the USD currency on it. So, for example, 4 of which are having the code currency, like for example, GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, and NZD USD. So all these 4 pairs are having the code currency at the end. Okay, you will notice, I hope you know this by now, USD, USD. So that's the 4. Okay, having the code currency. Then there's 3 more. Okay, 3 of which are having the base currency. Okay, like for this one, it will be on the first one. So now it's reverse. It's USD CAD, okay, USD CHF, and the USD JPY. So And also, gold, XAUSD is also included to be traded in this strategy. So, because it's like this, okay? When these four currency pairs are trending up, okay? They're trending up. People are buying these things, okay? But the other three are going down. It's going down on the opposite direction, okay? You will see this. Well, why this happened? If I don't know if anyone of you have noticed that, but I know some of the people here know this about this already because that's how you see when these are reversed, the other currency pairs will also trend on the other direction. So with this in mind, now you know if these things are going okay. For example, your favorite is USD JPY, and you see GBP USD trending up, then you sell because it's going. It should always go on the opposite direction. That's how simple it is. So with this in mind, four are going on the others on the other trend. The other three is going on the opposite trend. Then you can capitalize both. You can buy and sell all at the same time. That's why this strategy is called or coined as the money machine because you are sucking all the profits by buying and selling at the same time. How nice, huh? Just think about this. What kind of strategy is this? Have you ever heard? Has anyone ever heard about this before? Okay, aside from the people I know now here, uh, anyone? Have you done this in your trading journey? Selling or buying and selling or selling and buying all at the same time and capitalizing? No, huh? No one? Yes? Oh, very good, Archangel John. So you will have a more clear understanding of this webinar. So let's move on to the next slide. Okay, the money machine strategy. You should divide you should divide these pairs in your mind, in your cheat code. All right. So we will call team A these currency pairs: GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, NZD USD, and gold. Okay, uh, gold goes with this team. Okay, we call it team A. So you will have a clear picture in your mind, what is this team? Okay, team. When I say team A, it's GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, NZD USD, and XAU USD or gold. And team B are the USD CAD, USD CHF, and USD JPY. So with that in mind, now you have a clear picture which teams should go up, which team should go down, or which team should I buy, or put a buy trade in, and which team should I put a sell trade in. So with that in mind, this is very important because, for example, you are still confused. Okay, this is your first time trading such strategy. You are buying, but you forgot that AUDUSD is on team A, and then you press sell. Now you are going negative because these things are going up, but you mistakenly press sell on AUDUSD. So this is very crucial for you to understand. Huh? NZDUSD and XAUUSD should go on the same direction. Team B, if these are buying, team B should sell. That's it. That's how simple this strategy is going to be. Now, the indicator. All right. We need one indicator to have like like a guide. Okay, this will guide us if it's overbought or oversold. All right. So one indicator is to be used to determine the overbought and oversold market conditions, which is the stochastic oscillator indicator. As you know by now, okay, we already discussed about the indicators. This is how the stochastic looks like. So when it's there, it's overbought. When it's down there, it's oversold. So this indicator marks as a guide to have the overall trend, which is vital for the execution of the trades. Now, the strategy. All right. In most scenarios, the strategy can be used before the end of London. Okay, it's like at about 8:30. Okay, UTC plus 8 Philippine time. Check to see okay the stochastic or oscillator's placement on the charts in the 15-minute time frame. Okay, the four pairs with the code currency should be aligned, which is team A, should align accordingly, either overbought or oversold. So any day, for today it can be overbought, and tomorrow it can be all oversold. That's it. That's how simple it is. So the same with the three base currency pairs in the opposite direction on their stochastic. So let's take a look. All right, this is the GBP USD pair on the 15-minute. This is your stochastic. Now, at this point in time, it's what? Check the stochastic. It's oversold. That's how you know. It's down there. Now, that's one clue now that these things are over. So, what about the other teams? Like, what are the rest of the team A? So let's try to search Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. So at this point in time, it's also down there. Euro USD, the stochastic is oversold. What are the other team A's? What are the other team A's? AUD USD. AUD USD. There. It's also oversold. And NZD USD. NZD USD. There. It's oversold. And the last one, gold. XAU USD. What happened? Okay. XAUSD. Not quite there, but you see, when you see the crossover of the stochastic, now it wants to go up. So you can consider this that gold also wants to go up with the rest of the team A. So if they are oversold and their stochastics are about to reverse, okay, just like this, there will be a crossover of the stochastic there, and expect price now to reverse anytime soon at about 8:30 to 9:30 in the evening. Okay, when the London and the New York sessions overlaps, there will be more volume. Remember, there will be more volume, and this price should now push up to the moon. Okay, so Team B, USD CAD. Let's check. because you need to see it very clearly in your mind. USD CAD is there. It's up there. Okay? USD CHF. Okay. This could be indecision. It wants to go up or down, but still, there's still New York to come. Okay? New York still needs to come, and this could potentially have a clear direction. But as you see, it's already a crossover and it's pointing down. Then it could have started its journey. Okay, yes, don't be deceived with this one green candle going up there because anything can happen and push the price down further. And the last one, USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY. There, it's also pointing down. Team A was pointing up. Team B is pointing down. So it wants to sell. Okay. That's it. That's how simple it is, my friends. If Team A wants to buy, Team B should sell. And vice versa. If Team A wants to sell, Team B should buy. That's it. That's what you will do every day. That's how the money machine strategy works. Now, once confirmed, okay, now you confirm all the stochastic is now on their designated locations on your chart. Start with GBP USD on the 1 minute time frame and look for the change of character to the upside or downside. So let's do that now. Start with the GBP USD. What happened again? Okay. Okay. At this point in time, 8:30. Okay, 8:30. You are just waiting in in your computer, in your phone, checking it out on the 15-minute time frame, and you will go on the 1 minute. Okay, on the 1 minute, it looks like this. Okay, stochastic wants to go up on the 1 minute. So let's play this out and look for the change of character to the upside because to confirm the trend, you need the change of character, right? Not the break of structure. Okay, to reverse the trend, you need a change of character. So, playing now. By the way, where is the higher low? It's here. This is your higher low. This should break it. Okay, playing now. So we are still in London, as the caller of this session suggests, and New York gets in. Okay, now, do you think this is the, okay, this is structure, this was the lower low, okay, which was broken, okay? So now it broke the structure and giving you a new lower low here, okay? Which is now the higher low is now here, here, this pullback here, okay? Three candles is the minimum for the pullback, okay? So now New York is in. There. Okay. We haven't adjusted our higher highs and higher lows. So this was the higher high and this was the lower low on that particular time. Now it got broken. It got broken, right? So when you see a change of character now like this, you need a what? Remember? You remember our structure? You need a pullback to the FVG. You need a pullback to the FVG or the order block that created the change of character. So this was the leg that broke the I mean the that made the change of character, and this should be your order block, just like so. Okay, now we expect a pullback on this, either on this or in this order block. Let's see. Sorry, this FVG there. That's the sign. That's the sign to buy now. Everything is set. You had a change of character, and you had the tap on that order block that made a change of character. So let's read the rest of the strategy. Enter accordingly on the order block of this should be or FVG, if any, and do the same to the rest of the pairs. So this is just an example on the GBP USD pair. Now do the same on Euro USD, so you can enter exactly where that price will never go down and trigger your stop loss. I know this will be a whole lot of thing to do, but what do you want? This is trading. This is the hardest thing to earn easy money, my friends. Okay? Otherwise, you can do your 9 to 5 and enjoy whatever work you have there. But this is trading. This is just the secret sauce I'm exposing, revealing to you. So take it, okay? Now we did the GBP USD, and you for sure you can also do the same on the rest of the pairs. Where is that? Euro USD, do the same to Euro USD, do the same to AUD USD, NZD USD, and gold. And to the rest of the team B if you like. But okay, I'm just giving you the real strategy here. Otherwise, you will just be guessing out. Should I time to buy? Should I buy now for Euro USD? Should I buy now for AUD USD? Now you're just guessing, but because you're not doing your homework. Okay, now place your buy orders there. Stop loss just below that order block. Now what you will target? How nice to target the high of London, huh? This is what we want. We want to capitalize more pips, more money. But this is just stretching it out, okay? Because you cannot, like for example, okay, on this example, New York, it's the same thing. Now you had your, okay, you did your change of character here, okay, and then you had you mark your order block here like that. Okay, you mark your order block here or here maybe. On this example, okay, the change of character is there. Where's the order block? There. There's the order block. You see? That's your order block. It taps in back there, and then because if you will buy, see, you missed out. You see, You will say, oh, I missed out the opportunity. Now price is going up. No, my friend, the storyline, okay? The story is not yet complete. Now this thing has to pull back to where it's gone all the orders here. And now it taps in, and now it just the price just fly now to the moon. Because this is the homework you need to do every time. It's just not guessing, I need to buy now. I don't care. Now you're going, okay, now you're buying here. Okay, let's say you're buying here and then you put your stop loss. I know you are guessing maybe it will reach. Now your stop loss just got hit because you didn't do your strategy well. And you are just guessing price will go up there. Now your stop loss is hit. Now you are in a loss and now you are very angry. So do your homework, okay? This is, I'm revealing you all the secret sauce. No one teach me this. No guru in the entire world teach me how to do this. It's all by experience, by research, reading all the things I need to read just to have this secret sauce. Now, the secret sauce is like served to you in a silver plate or in a golden plate. Take it, my friend. This is how you trade. Now, once you have that, okay, for example, now you have that, and now you want to target this London high, but it didn't went there, okay? This is how trading works. So that's only the probability. So what you will do, okay, once you enter there, target some high, like this high here. That's a high. Okay. You're not satisfied. Try again this high. This high. You see, it never went to that high. It just went there. Okay. Or there, maybe, yes. But if you will see the time, okay, and this time it hit that high around 4 in the morning. Are you awake in 4 in the morning? Maybe you are sleeping already by 12 o'clock because there's more things to do the next day. So I just accept the fact that this is how it works. So now, now it's gone on the next day. For sure, I don't know how you will put your where you will leave your stop loss there. Yes, maybe if you are brave enough, leaving your stop loss there. Okay, leaving your stop loss there all day, all night, and when you wake up in the morning, okay, you leave your stop loss there. Okay, you see, you didn't even touch your stop loss with anything, with any week. And when you wake up in the morning, 6 o'clock, oh, very nice for this strategy, money machine strategy. Okay, wake up, then you can close it here. It's up to you. I think you know what I mean. Okay, I'm not telling you you have to do this, you have to do that. I'm just telling you the scenario that will happen in any trade you will place. Okay, and maybe if you want to sleep, okay, you want to sleep at this time. I don't know, 3 o'clock. I don't. I think I don't think you are awake by that time. Okay, this is 2 o'clock. This is 1 o'clock. I don't know how much long you will stay on this trade. It depends on you. But if you have your stop loss, I mean your take profit there. Okay, now it's triggered. Now you can rest assured. Okay, your stop loss is safe, and or maybe before you sleep, you move your stop loss to break even. Then maybe yes, you can sleep now because your stop loss is on a break even, and not a single dollar will go out of your fund. That's how you trade, my friend. Now you have to think, well, when you wake up, my take profit has now been hit. Thank you very much for this strategy. So I'm just telling you what you should do, okay? This is how you trade, my friend. When you see the change of character, expect an order block there or an FVG. Price will go back there, and from there, you trade from there. Don't guess. Don't miss out. Don't FOMO. Fear of missing out is FOMO. Okay, you FOMO there. Now your stop loss was hit because you didn't do your strategy well. Okay, now moving on to this example. How nice if this will hit this, okay? But let's see, okay, what this price action will do. Playing now. You see? Did it went back to my stop loss? No, my friend, because that's the secret sauce. That is the secret sauce, my friends. Okay, bye-bye stop loss. See you to the moon. Now price is just going to your way. Okay, okay. Now, what do you need? Okay, what is the clue that you need to stop? Like, what do you call that? Like, what do you call that? I forgot the term. Like the point of no return. Whatever happens, I have to close this trade. Okay, you need a change of character down. That's it, my friend. Now you need a change of character, knowing that this trend. Okay, now this is the higher high. Okay, and where is the higher low? Okay, this is just a two candle formation. This could be the higher low. Okay, and when this higher low is broken, now there's a change of character. Playing again. So it's going sideways. This is at 2 o'clock in the morning. That's why set your take profit. That's it. Because by this time, people are now sleeping. Only America is awake like crazy. And I think by this time, okay, it made a change of character. That's your coach, my friend. Now exit the trade. Finish. No need to stay long because now this thing now will go down. Okay, candle closes below this higher low, and that's how you exit the trade. Okay, before in my early days of trading this strategy, I don't know when to jump. I am just because the stochastic is going up. Okay, you will see. At this time, you enter the trade, the stochastic was down here. Okay, and then you bought there, and then it went down. It's just going like this. Okay, now you don't know when exactly will I jump here, here. I'm just guessing. I'm just trading blindly. Now I have this secret sauce because of this market structure. Boss, change of character, boss, change of character. Now we know that this thing now will go down. Now you have to exit the trade. That's it. This is where you exit. But if you have the take profit here, okay, at this point here, I don't know, maybe here, I don't know. Or here, this is the high. Okay, maybe this is the high, but unfortunately it didn't hit there. That's why you have to accept the fact that it's all about probabilities. Huh? On this day, New York has given you only this pip. Maybe in some days it will hit the London high, and that's be much better for us. But you cannot. You can. It's just we only trade what we see. So we trade here. We see the change of character. Now I need to exit. At least I have something more in my capital. Okay, that's it. That's how you will do this, my friend. Okay. Now in the 15 minute, in the 15 minute, okay, if you will rewind this, let's say you entered from this position, from this price. Okay, you entered from this price. Remember, we entered there. Let's play this. Where is the stochastic at that time? On the 15 minute. This is also one clue, okay, to give you the idea. Now playing now. There, taps your order block. Now it's going. Now the stochastic is going slowly because this is in the much higher time frame than the 1 minute. So it's in the 15 minute. Now it's going there. Stochastic is now overbought. And from this on, you can say, I think New York only will give me this profit tonight. Okay, there's still no crossover. Okay, it's still pushing to its limit. Now, still no crossover. Now there's the crossover. Now there's the crossover, my friend. There's the crossover, my friend. Now you can jump here. Where do you want to jump? Better to jump on this price or in this price? Better to jump here because this is now your clue that price is about to reverse on me. Let's play this. Let's play this along. Okay, price now is going sideways as we saw there, going down. Now it's dipping there on the 70 mark. That's it. And eventually, by 2 p.m., it's now going sideways. Now it's going to hit that made the change of character. That's what do you waited long enough? Now it's going down there, and the more it will go down. Okay, just like so, my friend. Okay, now you get the idea. So I'm now showing you in detail, even in the 1 minute time frame, how to enter and exit this trade. And in the 15 minute, there's an early clue that the stochastic was overbought and made a crossover. And for sure, this has now gone down and made a change of character. So going back, okay, exit the trade when a change of character ensues in either trend or target a swing high or low according to this position. Now, this this high here, okay, you can jump here. This is a high, okay, according to your disposition. To the 1 minute, here, this is the high there, high here. You can jump there because you see, this is a what? This is the high. This is a 1 to 9, my friend. Okay, even your stop loss is not okay like that. Okay, your reward to ratio is greater than your stop loss. This is already a win-win situation with your one lot size, $5 per pip size. Then you can capitalize here on the way there, as you as an example. Now let's all remove this. And show you everything in the grander scale. Okay? Let's go now. And fortunately, Algoter is very generous to provide us with the premium plan of TradingView. Now we can view all these Team A and Team B, including gold, in one screen all at a time. So let's go. There. Let's just change this to gold. This is in Team A. Okay, if you can see, my friends. Okay, this is a GBP USD. Okay, let's change this to Euro USD, AUD USD, NZD USD, gold. Okay, USD CAD, USD CHF, USD JPY. Now we have all the Team A and Team B in one screen. Okay, now we can see, okay, now these are all in the 15-minute. Okay, now let's see what will happen if we will do this strategy and see it in action. Okay, as we can see, if Team A is going up, Team B should go down. Okay, let's now do this. Now let's assume you did your homework well. You wait for the change of character. You went to spot that order block. You did everything in the 1 minute well. So now everything you see when GBP USD will confirm to us that there's a change of character in GBP USD and it wants to go up. You found out order block for sure. All the rest of the pairs will follow suit. That's how simple it is. You don't even know, you don't even need to check and do the same for all these things. But if you want to be precise, okay, you don't want a drawdown, you don't want your stop loss to get hit, do this, but you have to be very fast. I know this will like this is too much, but this is the thing, my friend. Where you will get how you will win trading if you will have that mentality. You have to do it, okay? But as the longer you do this, the more it will be easy for you. Now let's assume you did this one. Now we have to place a trade, a buy trade on team A and a sell trade on team B. Okay, let's do this. Let's go to the 1 minute. Everything here will be in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, gold, USD CAD, USD CHF. So if you will notice, okay, because we are in the lower time frame, okay, but in the higher time frame, the fifth, all the stochastics on the 15 minute are they are oversold. You see, GBP USD is down there, Euro USD is down there. This thing because still there's New York. Okay, maybe it will adjust, but everything okay. And then if it's down, so all the team B are now pointing downwards. So USD JPY is pointing down. This will also point down. This will also point down, as you will see on the execution later on. So New York's there. Okay, we had a change of character here. Remember, it broke. There's a boss there. And then we highlight the order block, which it will tap into later on. Okay, so let's forward. Okay, there should be the tap. There's the tap. Okay, so it taps your order block. Now all you need is to buy. Okay, let's do this. Let's buy. Okay, on trading view, there's a contract because trading view is different when placing the trade. So a 0.20, okay, a 0.20 lot size. This is what? $2. Okay? This is $2. In trading view, this is paper trading, by the way. Paper trading. Okay, you can go to paper trading like a demo. Okay? Just because this is I want to see, I want you all to see this in action. Now, in trading view, it's 20,000 contracts. Okay? So you buy there. Now you have the 0.20 position size there. We will do the same to Euro USD. Okay? Why it's not why it's not working? Let's reset this. Okay, 1:100. Okay. Okay, we have 100,000 account there, which is way too much now. So let's go. You know, it was working. But why it's not working now? Anyhow, just for demonstration, I will make a market execution here as a buy. So this is buy. Oh, there it is, 20,000. Buy, market execution, UAD 20,000. Okay, assuming you did all this, huh? Buy. Okay, for gold is a different matter. Okay, for gold, I have to input 20 for a 0.20 lot size. Okay, now we will buy also for gold because gold is team A. USD CAD market execution 20,000. Market execution USD CHF. Sorry, why did I buy there? Why did I buy there? Close this. Okay, USD CAD. USD CAD 20,000. Sell. USD CHF market execution. Sell. USD JPY market execution. Sell. Okay. Now you have all your trades set. Let's see what will happen. Huh? On the 1 minute, you entered there. Now everything should follow suit. Playing now. Yes. You can see the profit here. Huh? Okay. You see USD JPY. There's also profiting there. Your gold. Okay. Now Euro USD is followed. That's the money machine, my friends. You see, everything is in green. It's in blue, whatever you call this. Gold is profiting. The team B is also profiting there. But there. Okay, let's. What happened now? Yeah, it was here, right? I think 1 minute is just too much for all for trading view to handle. Anyway, let's see this in the higher time frame on the 15 minute. Okay, all charts. Okay. Okay, we'll buy here. We'll also buy here 20,000. Buying here 20,000. Buying here 20,000 for gold 20,000, sell 20,000, sell 20,000. I hope everything will go fine now. Okay, now you can see all the prices here if they're winning or losing. So you can see now. Let's play this. There. You see, at 20 lots, GBP USD is profiting, and all this is now in green, my friends. 445 on gold, 115 on USD CAD, $34 USD CHF, and USD JPY. So, my friend, where you can get this strategy, sucking all the profit just like that, like a pro. Huh? See, all that, all that in profits. Your team A and your team B are all in profits. All the seven major pairs, including gold, are now in profits. How nice, huh? How nice. So just try this on your next trading. Okay, do your homework. Know where is the stochastic is located. It was going up. See, Euro USD was going up. AUD USD is going up. NZD USD is going up. All because they are all the same. Okay, that's all the same. And the team B is going down that time. So you are profiting. So just do this and you will again have another strategy on your trading journey. So let's now go to the other slide and let's see what we have. So Algotur is a quantitatively driven trading company focusing on market making and multi-asset trading. Its expertise spans various asset classes, including futures, options, stocks, commodities, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Let the numbers talk, my friends. You can all read about this in the Algotur website and also spread the word to your friends and colleagues, whatever your family, so we can all learn about this amazing company. And there's also copy trading. As you know, you can copy trades from our expert traders, and you can capitalize on the go without any hassle, without any market analysis. You can all, you see that we have 90% historical accuracy data-driven precision, no experience needed, win rate is 79%, and triple verified signals, AI plus 15-year analyst institutional backtesting. So if you want to avail, you can always contact our algorithm managers and capitalize on the go. And there's also some insurance program because if you earn at a net loss, Algotur will reimburse qualifying losses. So keep 100% of any profit you make. Well, the original was 1,500, but now for only $500 minimum, you can now have this insurance all to benefit from. And as you can see, there's a $6,000 as the sweet spot with a 26.79% of return of investment. So my friends, if you want to learn more about this, always contact our Algotur managers and avail of these exclusive benefits. And lastly, Zoe, as you know, we are all using Zoe to put our trades in. And, I'm also flipping an account. Okay, I have a $5,000 and now it's reached $8,200 just flipping flipping this account again with our strategies, especially the Malaysian SNR. Yeah, I never lost a trade again because you just have to be obsessed. Otherwise, the strategy will play you. So you have to use the strategy well, my friends, and benefit. So with Zoe, it's very user friendly. It's available on Google Play and App Store, and you can always trade on the go on your mobile phones wherever you are. So spread the word, also spread the word to your family, your friends, your colleagues, and we can all have Zoe on our app to trade the Forex market. All right. So, as our last slide, again, my friends, we have a 50% deposit bonus. Just do it, man. $100, you will get 150. $1,000, you will get $500 extra. Where you will get this anywhere else? No one. Only Algotor is offering this. So please take the opportunity, and because we only have well, this can go and very fast. Okay, so please take this chance and get 50% deposit bonus so you can have this opportunity. So we have some question here. So do you have settings in your stock RSI, sir, or only default? Okay, I will show you again, my friend. So for the stochastic, okay, you have your stochastic there. It's easy, yeah? Just go there and search stochastic. Stochastic. There, stochastic. Now it's there. Go to settings. 1033. Okay, take a screenshot now. Okay, or take a photo of your phone. 1033. Percent K length should be 10, K smoothing should be 3, D smoothing should be, because this will smooth out all the crossover you can find. Okay, so it's smooth out, because without this one, it will be more jagged and you cannot see very well. But with the 1033 setting, that's it. Don't do anything here, just the style. If you want to change the color of the K and the D line, you can do that. But for me, I leave that alone and then I just put 1033. Okay, 1033. Don't forget about it. What else? Do you have any more questions? You see, my friends, you see the money machine? Very nice, huh? All in profit, never hitting your stop loss, because whenever GBP USD will do the change of character, everyone will follow suit. Now everyone wants to go in the same direction. And for the team B, it will go on the opposite. Now it will just sell. You see, you're even profiting here. See, 35, 116 in gold. It's very nice. My favorite, $478 in a $2 per pip trade. My friend, use this. Now I've given you again all the secret sauce, new strategy for you to use. And I hope you will capitalize well for this amazing strategy. So you can always watch this replay on YouTube. I hope you found the Algotor channel on YouTube. And you can always view now all our 7 to 8 webinars we have now, and just review how to do this money machine strategy. All right, my friends. So I think our time is up. And I don't know. See you again next time for another secret sauce reveal of strategy, whatever I can think of next time. And maybe, who knows, maybe we will do some Q&A, the one webinar, just Q&A, asking all these questions and answering all your questions. And we can go on from there. So with that said, thanks again, my friends. See you next time, and good night. Bye-bye.